Hi guys, so I'm honoring another request today and I'm going to be making Liberian style pasta salad. So I just start with boiling water and I add 3 cups of rotini pasta and I boil that for about 12 minutes till the pasta is soft enough. And I also boil it with 1 can of Spam just to reduce the amount of salt in it. And I boil 3 eggs. And after that, I rinse the pasta with cold water. I put it in the cooler to cool down some more. And I add about 1.5 cups of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of onion, 1/4 teaspoon of seasoned salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of chive. That's up to you if you want to use that. I usually go with dried herbs because when I buy the fresh one, I don't get to it in time and then they end up going bad. So not to waste, I just buy the dry one and I use it. Otherwise, you can use green onions instead of the chive that I used. I just cut up the Spam and eggs. I pour the mixture into the pasta and the rest of the ingredients. Just mix it together and you're pretty good to go. This is a really easy, fast recipe that is kind of good for the holidays. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.